Hi there. Are you looking at filing a live-in caregiver application? Well, in this video I'll discuss the documents that you must include in every application. Obviously, the first set of documents are the forms. There are four forms that are essential. The fifth form is the use of representative in case you decide to hire a representative. But there are the four forms, which is the generic application form, the additional dependents if you have one, the Schedule A, and the additional family information form. Also make sure that you include 2 original passport size photos. And in regards to the documents, there's 2 options when you file the live-in caregiver. The option 1 is 24 months of authorized full-time employment as a live-in caregiver within 4 years from the date you entered Canada under the live-in caregiver program. So that has its own set of documents to prove that you've worked 24 months in Canada. Or option 2, which is a total of 3,900 hours within a minimum of 22 months, which may include the maximum of 390 hours of overtime of authorized full-time employment as a live-in caregiver within the last 4 years since you entered Canada. And this option 2 also has their set of documents. So we will discuss the option 1 and the option 2 documents and how you can prove that in a subsequent video on live-in caregivers. This video is specific in regards to what you must include for both of these options. The other documents that you must include are your identity documents, such as a valid passport page, your birth certificate if you've been married, your marriage certificate, your birth certificate of your children, if you've been divorced, divorce certificate, and so forth. So all of these identity and relationship documents must be included from yourself and your immediate family members. Other documents that must be included is the original police certificates for you and your family members since the age of 18. Details of all the criminal convictions, such as the state clearances, court documents, and so forth. If you've received any pardons from that offense, if you've been convicted of an offense, make sure you include that. Obviously, every document that I'm discussing must be included a certified translation in English or French if it is in a different language. If it's in English and French, then obviously you don't need that certified translation. Include the fee payment receipt as well as the actual document checklist, and then you mail the application with all of these documents. Again, watch the video, the subsequent video on option 1 and option 2 documents that are required for the live-in caregiver, and you include this video plus the second video document and file a successful live-in caregiver application. If you have any questions about this, give us a call today. Thank you, and until next time.